Welcome to Easy English Chat, the podcast where we learn English by listening to everyday conversations. In today's episode, our hosts, Tom and Sarah, talk about their pets. Let's listen in. Hello and welcome to Easy English Chat. I'm your host, Sarah.
And I'm Tom. It is so great to be with you all today. So, Sarah, what amazing, fantastic, spectacular topic do we have for today's episode?
Well, Tom, I thought we could talk about something that makes a lot of people happy. We're going to talk about our furry friends, our pets.
Pets! Oh, that's the best idea. I could talk about my pet all day. For our listeners, I have a dog, and his name is Buddy. He's the goodest boy.
And I'm a cat person. I have two cats, Leo and Luna. They're brother and sister.
Dogs and cats, the ultimate showdown. This is going to be great. Okay, you start. What's a typical morning like with Leo and Luna? Is it a feline frenzy? A catastrophe of cuteness?
A catastrophe of cuteness, right? A typical morning, well, it starts early. My cats are my alarm clock. Around 6 in the morning, Leo starts to gently tap my face with his paw.
He taps your face? That's hilarious. Like a gentle, furry alarm clock.
Yes, very gently. If that doesn't work, Luna starts to purr very loudly right next to my ear. It's impossible to ignore. They know it's breakfast time.
Food, the ultimate motivator for man and beast. Classic.
Exactly. So I get up, go to the kitchen, and they run ahead of me, meowing the whole way. After they eat, they usually find a sunny spot by the window and go back to sleep.
Peaceful. My mornings are the exact opposite. It's like a furry tornado hits my house. So much energy.
A furry tornado? I can imagine. Tell me about Buddy's morning routine.
Okay, so the second Buddy hears me even think about moving, he springs up like a jack-in-the-box. His tail wags so hard, his whole body wiggles like a fish.
That does sound sweet.
It's the best. But then it's go time. We have to go outside immediately. No delays. I grab the leash and we zoom out the door. He sniffs everything. I call it reading the P-mail.
Reading the P-mail, Tom. Anyway, I like the morning news analogy better.
After the news, it's breakfast time, and he inhales his food in like 10 seconds flat. Gone. Then, while I'm trying to make coffee, he's already dropping his favorite squeaky tennis ball at my feet.
So he's ready to play fetch immediately?
Instantly. There's no relax button on this dog. But hey, it's a guaranteed way to wake up with a jolt of energy.
It sounds like it. It's interesting how different their personalities can be. You mentioned Buddy is very energetic. My cats have completely opposite personalities.
Oh yeah? Do tell. Are they supervillains, secret agents?
No, Tom, they're not secret agents. Leo is just very brave and curious. He loves meeting new people. When guests come over, he runs to the door to greet them. He wants everyone to pet him.
He's the official welcome wagon. I love it.
He is. But Luna is the complete opposite. She's very shy. If she hears the doorbell, she runs and hides under the bed. It might take an hour before she feels safe enough to come out.
Aw, shy little fluff ball. So one is the party animal and one is the wallflower.
A wallflower is a good way to put it. Luna is very sweet with me, but she's just scared of new things. Leo is scared of nothing. The other day, a big package was delivered, and Leo's favorite thing in the world is a cardboard box.
Oh, of course. The universal law of cats. If I fits, I sits.
Exactly. The box was quite small, but he was determined to fit inside. It was so funny watching him try to squeeze himself into this tiny space. He finally managed to get his front half in and then just sat there, looking very proud of himself.
That is the most cat-like image ever. So proud. But he has his own funny quirks. He's a big dog, but he is terrified of the vacuum cleaner. He thinks it's a house monster.
A house monster? I suppose it is pretty loud.
It's his arch nemesis. As soon as I take it out of the closet, he runs into the other room and hides behind the sofa.
But the funniest thing is that he will bark at it from a safe distance. He's trying to be a brave hero, but he's also very, very scared.
That's adorable. It's funny what they choose to be afraid of. Luna is scared of the vacuum, but Leo tries to attack it. He thinks it's a game.
Leo the lion-hearted. See? Brave and curious. It just shows how much personality they have. They are not just animals, they're part of the family. Little weirdos, the whole lot of them.
They are definitely little weirdos, but being part of the family also comes with challenges, right? It's not always easy.
Oh, for sure. So true. What's the biggest challenge for you if you're two little agents of chaos?
Agents of Chaos is a bit dramatic, Tom. For me, it's taking them to the veterinarian. First, I have to get them into their carriers, which they hate. They know what's happening and they hide.
Ah, yes, the dreaded carrier, the box of doom.
The box of doom, sure. And then in the car, they meow so loudly the entire trip. It's really sad to listen to. They are so stressed. How is Buddy with vet visits?
Buddy loves car rides. He thinks we're going to the park, so he gets super excited to get in the car, but then when he realizes we're at the vet's office, he gets very nervous and starts shaking a little. The ultimate betrayal.
Oh, poor guy. That is a bit of a trick.
Yeah, but he's very brave during the checkup. The vets all love him because he's so gentle. Another challenge for me is leaving him alone for too long. He gets lonely. He's a professional people person.
That's one benefit of having two cats. They keep each other company. When I'm at work, I know they have each other to play with or sleep next to.
That's true. I have to find a good dog sitter if I go on vacation. Or sometimes I take him to a doggy daycare where he can play with other dogs. It's like a giant party for dogs.
A dog party? Does he enjoy that?
He loves it. He comes home so tired from playing all day, he just eats his dinner and passes out. It's amazing. Total puppy playtime overload.
That sounds perfect. So even with the challenges, it's clear we both adore our pets. What's your favorite thing about having Buddy?
That's easy. It's the welcome I get when I come home. No matter if I'm gone for 10 minutes or a few hours, he greets me at the door with a full body wiggle and a happy dance. It's the best thing in the world. It makes any bad day better.
I completely agree. That unconditional love is the best. For me, it's the quiet moments when I'm reading on the sofa and both cats come to cuddle up with me, purring away. It's the most relaxing feeling in the world.
A cuddle puddle with purring cats. That sounds like heaven. See? Pets are just the best. They bring so much goofy, weird, wonderful happiness into our lives.
I agree. Well, it looks like we're just about out of time for today. That went by fast. Thank you to all our listeners for joining us. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about our pets. Maybe it inspired you to talk about your own pets in English.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Practice using words like leash, purr, fetch, and cuddle puddle. Join us next time for another episode of Easy English Chat.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay positive.